Hello all, welcome to the journey of CAD operator to design engineer. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing is one of the extremely important parameter for design engineers. If you consider a situation, okay, whenever any fresher are going to appear for the interview, they learn CAD, they can able to create a CAD, they can able to create an assembly, they can able to create the drawing associated with it. But when interview asks for it, what type of tolerance you are going to use here, what type of surface finish is there, okay, they will show certain drawings to you and update you what is this H7G6 means, what this, if it is H5 what happened, if it is a capital H7 plus small p6 what it means, or what is MMC, what is LMC, what are the different types of IT grade, and candidate is completely confused. Let me explain you through my example. Okay, I am a hardcore design engineer. मी जेव्हा माझी ॲज अ मेकॅनिकल डिझाईन ट्रेनी मेकॅनिकल डिझाईन जर्नी सुरुवात केली तर आय वॉज पॅशनेट अबाउट दी कॅड. मी जवळपास फ्रॉम माय डिप्लोमा टाइम ऑलमोस्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट 22 years आय एम युझिंग अ कॅड. आणि मॉडेल्स वगैरे आम्ही खूप छान पद्धतीने काढायचो. वी कॅन क्रिएट अन असेंब्ली बट अँड वी कॅन एबल टू क्रिएट द ड्रॉइंग ऑल्सो. पण मग मी माझ्या सिनियरकडे जायचो की सर what is this, shall I use a 0.1 or shall I use the 0.2? Okay, so what is here, can I use the runout, or here can I use the total runout? But whatever the instructions given by my senior, I'm going to blindly follow these instructions and I will going to add those tolerance in the drawing, and I completely confuse at all the time. Drawing change, what type of tolerance I should have to use it, okay, whether it is 100 micron, 20 micron, 30 micron, and absolutely I don't have an answer at least for first 2 to 3 years. Then I'm going to be deep dive in this topic, okay, and I have learned certified related with the GD&Ts, okay, and in my experience of almost next 12 or 13 years I gone through almost more than 50,000 plus drawings where I have observed, I have implemented on the manufacturing processes, and we have designed based on my experience a 10 days extensive training program, which is a certified training program from Cadinfield, which is geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. ह्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये तुम्हाला पूर्णपणे आन्सर मिळेल की whether you are going to add a 10 micron, why 20 micron, why and 100 microns, whether you are removing a material in terms of chips, what type of tolerance you are going to give it, if you are removing a material in terms of powder, what type of tolerance you are going to give it, okay, what is this H7G6, what happened if it is a 7, what happened if it is a P, what is IT grade, how the IT grade is going to be derived, how the IT grade is related with the machining, how the IT grade is related with the close tolerance. You will get the entire idea as per the ASME 14.52018 or ASNC 14.52018. So we are going to in detail information about the different types of tolerances added into this drawing, so which include the shape type of tolerance, which includes the different types of fits, why the clearance fit is there, what are the different applications related with the clearance. Okay, if you consider a clearance, now this is green and red, we have created a go gauge and no go gauge type of an application. So what happened if suppose this is the bearing which is going to be associated with it, so this bearing is fit into this housing or inside this plate, so what type of tolerance I am going to use it, this into the interference speed. But if I am going to consider this as a shaft with a bearing, then this need a close clearance. Okay, so what type of clearance, so shall I go with a H7G6, or when the bearing is going to be fit inside this, the outer of the bearing is fitted into this plate, so shall I go with the H7P6. So why P, why we are going to use it S7, or we have a different application like this. Okay, so these are the dummy models, so we are going to be use such kind of an applications, okay, which are going to be helpful for candidates to understand the surface, what type of tolerance. So this is basically a multi-curvature surface, so shall I go with the tolerance called it has the profile on a surface or profile on a line. So based on the application, industrial application, you people can able to understand, you people can able to apply the proper types of intolerance, and you will get it the intensive 10 days training, which will be certified based on the NCY 14.5, along with all the questions answers to this program is designed from the fresher to almost 20 plus years of an experience. We have executed this program hundreds of times for the fresh engineering graduates, experienced design professional. If you will like to attend this program, please stay in touch with Cadinfield team. We are going to assure you whatever questions related with the geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, we are going to answer in this program. So thank you very much for your time and interest. Okay, stay tuned for more such videos where our focus is on changing the care operator role to design engineer. Thank you very much. Thank you.